Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a Sabian 17-inch HHX Evolution crash cymbal. Well, this one looks like it crashed when it came to the side of cleaning. Let's see if the power of the Flitz paste polish can do the job of restoring it. Better yet, let's save some time and pull out the good old cordless drill and the Flitz 7-inch buff ball. Wow, look at this bronze finish coming right back to life. I sure hope it isn't blinding you. And would you look at the Flitz polish? It's even protecting the surface against water. Can you imagine how it'll protect against the dust and dirt when taking these from show to show? Well, there you have it. Will it shine? It sure will. Remember, when it comes time to polish and protecting your finishes, Flitz it.